KNW stock analysis and KNW stock prediction is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Ultimately speaking, no labs is, for me, it's a bullish market. I'm not saying it's not, because all that's left for me to really pull the trigger on this is one more break above 413, right? That's all there is left to it. And honestly, if I don't get the rules met, then I guess it's not going to be something that I'll be buying. And from my end, that's totally fine. Like even here, I mean, there's two ways that I would approach this. One is where there's a second break here, or two, price pulls down and gives me a double break from here on. Right? Both ways mean, that I'm waiting for rules. And if not, if rules are not met, I'm not buying. So beforehand, I colored this exact movement the same way. So I'm sticking to my rules. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And, I'll continue to keep you updated. Really nothing else that I'll be adding onto this. I mean, yes, I do have KNW previous receipts, but that's it. Goodbye and enjoy.